Tired of typing in your password every time you want to unlock your Xiaomi Redmi phone? I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show how you can set up the face unlock feature on your Xiaomi phone, allowing you to quickly unlock your phone with just a glance. So let's get started. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and find the password and security option. After that, look for Face Unlock. Then enter the lock screen password if prompted. Or you might need to set up a PIN or password as backup security measure. Follow the on-screen instructions to do this. Then press Start. Right after that, tap Next in the pop-up. Now follow the instructions to capture your face from different angles. Once the face data is captured, tap Done to save your Face ID. Lastly, make sure the Unlock using Face Data option is enabled. So guys, that's how you set up Face Unlock feature on Xiaomi phones. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Hungry for more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.